Today we'll talk about how can you enable terminal pending on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on me down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on your name here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to terminal pending here, just click in this sign. So then you click here on OK, and you click here on verification verse here. You have to verification here. So then you just switch in here. Then here can you add this verification. I'm going to set this here like this. So then here automatically here it's going to add your code here from your email. You click on OK, then it's going to enable with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.